Hi everyone, my name is Nathaniel, and this video is part of the SiteVision Pro tutorial series. In this video, we will introduce Trimble Connect, a cloud-based collaboration platform for the construction industry, acting as a central hub, a common data environment center, or CDE, to organize, share, and manage all project data, like 3D models, drawings, and documents. SiteVision is fully integrated with Trimble Connect. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage Trimble Connect projects and how to upload data ready for viewing within SiteVision. To access Trimble Connect, you will want to open a web page on any form of device. From there, you'll put into your browser bar the following link. Once you have the link inserted, click Enter. From there, you'll then be prompted to log into your account. Please take a second to log into your account. And just like that, you'll now have access to Trimble Connect. One thing I highly recommend you to do is to favorite this page or simply make this page easily accessible so you can open it for any future time. To create a new project, you will head over to the blue button that says New. From here, you'll then be prompted to enter some basic information. For the name of this project, I am going to name it Trimble Connect. Additionally, you can also upload a project thumbnail. This makes your project easier to identify amongst the other ones. In my case, I'm going to upload this image of Trimble Connect. From here, you'll then want to select the closest server location from this drop-down list. In my case, it is North America. Additionally, you could also take a second to change the project ownership. In my situation, I'm going to leave it to my name. The last setting that we will need to change is the project license. From here, we'll click onto it, and you want to make sure to select the one that starts with TSV. This will select your SiteVision license and ensure that you have all the necessary feature for your project. Once you are happy with your setting, we'll then click the blue button that says Submit. And just like that, your Trimble Connect project will then be created. To select your project boundary and coordinate reference system, you will head down below to Settings. From the drop-down menu, you will select Project Details. Over here onto the right side, you'll be able to see your project boundary and coordinate reference system. To select the project boundary, click this pencil icon. You'll have two options. You can draw the boundary on the map or input the boundary coordinates. For this video, we will do Draw Boundary on Map, and we will be selecting the Trimble Westminster office. Once you have found your location, you can then draw the boundary of your project. Once you are happy, you can then click Enter to select it. From here, you'll then want to select your coordinate reference system by clicking this pencil icon. You can choose from the published coordinate system or upload your own personal calibration file for your work site. For this video, we will be selecting Published Coordinate System. Now, the Trimble Westminster office is found in Colorado Central 0502. And just like that, your coordinate system is now selected. This setting is very important as it controls how your model will be geolocated in the real world. One thing you always want to make sure is to scroll back up and click Save Changes to save your project location and coordinate reference system. Should you ever wish to change the coordinate reference system, you can click on this pencil icon and click Remove Coordinate System. From there, you'll then be able again to select from the published coordinate system or upload your own personal calibration file. An important feature of Trimble Connect is managing your team. This is key because it lets you control who has access to your project and enables smooth data sharing between the field and office throughout the cloud platform. To view your team, click on Team in the side menu. Here you'll see all team members along with their access permissions. Keep in mind that depending on your project role, you may not have access to the team page. To add a user, click the blue Invite People to Project button. Enter their email address and select their project access level. Now, to learn more about project access, please consult the Trimble Connect help portal. Once you are ready to invite your user, you can then click the blue Invite button. Once you send the invitation, they'll receive an email with a link to join the project. After accepting, the project will appear in their Trimble Connect dashboard. If you ever need to remove a user, you can do so as long as you have project admin permissions. An important setting to enable when using SiteVision with Trimble Connect is the Reality Capture extension. This allows you to publish, visualize, and manage your reality capture data within the platform. To enable it, go to the side menu and click Settings. From the drop-down, select Extensions. In the list of Trimble extensions, locate Reality Capture and turn it on. Once enabled, the Reality Capture extension will be active and ready to use. To upload data in Trimble Connect so it can be viewed in SiteVision, start by opening the side menu, click Data, then select Explorer from the drop-down. On this page, you'll see a blue Add button. From here, you can create folders, start a 3D model in SketchUp, create a map workspace, or upload files. To upload data, select Upload Files. From here, choose a file from your device and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, Trimble Connect will assimilate the data to make it viewable on the Trimble Connect platform. Click on it and select View to open it in the Trimble Connect data viewer. Within the viewer, you'll have access to a range of basic tools that can be useful in different situations. This platform gives you a clear visual of your data and helps you better understand what you're working with. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you better understand how to use Trimble Connect for SiteVision purposes. Our next video will cover how to do the different model placement in SiteVision. If you have any questions, please consult the help portal for any information related to Trimble Connect.